like with how much I travel and then like in the masterminds, it's all like drinking, building relationships. And even though, Andy Frisell says like, oh no, you don't need to drink. I go out there just to bond with them. And like, that's when we're at the Storage Rebellion Mastermind this last weekend. I truly do believe that the biggest benefit out of those masterminds, I learned a ton there, but the relationships that come with it, of me drinking with them at 1 a.m. at a casino, burning money, and we both like, I'm right, but like just doing drinking things.
So could you not do those things without having a drink?
I wouldn't want to.
Do you think you're not a person that seems like you can't have a conversation with someone that you don't know unless you have that little edge taken off?
I mean, not at all, but like I have fucking fun. Right? Like I go hard.
He said I go hard. You're still young though. How old are you?
I'm 26.
Yeah, you're still kind of young.
And it's somewhat of a problem, right? Like Kalani sent me a picture the other day of when I was in Orlando. It looks like I got murdered. Like I was like FaceTiming her, my eyes were like bloodshot red. But like, so the Storage Rebellion this weekend, and it was an amazing mastermind for our self-storage stuff that we're doing, that Kalani spearheading. So we're there, right? And then like we do stuff all day. But from all the relationships, from all the investing in myself that I've done in the different masterminds and everything else, hands down, the big things come out of it is the relationships I've had.
Yeah.
Like, oh, bro, how'd you get so many people on your podcast? Well, I fucking know them. Like I go out and I drink with them until 3 a.m. Right? To where this weekend, again, I'm going out with some of the people and we're all having a good time. And then now we have like a group chat. We have inside jokes because we're all going out and doing those things of going out and drinking, going out and having a good time, going to the fucking casino at 3 a.m., whatever it is. But at least that way you can build those relationships with your people. Because I think a lot of people don't. Oh, wow. That's what a lot of people miss in their relationships.
Yeah.
And like Andy Frisell is at a completely different place than us. Like he doesn't have to go out and drink with people to build his network and brand, right? Like the dude is massive. Like he's a billionaire at this point.
Yeah. I guess I see it. I see both ways of that, right? And I think it all comes down to kind of where you are at that moment, right? Because I can definitely, and I'm not that much. I'm not old or anything, you know what I mean? But something to be said for after you hit 30 years old, right? And so I can't hold it as good as I can hold my liquor, but it's almost not worth it sometimes. And so the feeling that I get from starting things like 75 Hard or just being on a grind, there's just certain things that I just don't care to do because the feeling is just so amazing of being, of you know what I mean, of being cleansed and stuff like that. So your body adapts to things, and when you're drinking, your body adapts to drinking. So you don't really realize that you feel bad until you get cleansed.
You're like, oh my God, this is amazing.
And so once you start feeling like that, it's sometimes you just don't want anything to fuck that up. You know what I mean? So I get where Andy's coming from because he's like, man, this is the best I felt my whole,
well, you lose your momentum when you like 75 Hard. I love the like whole year-long program because it'll probably be the best year financially you've ever had in your life and mentally.
Yeah.
Like if you stick to it, and we both talk about this all the time. I hate discipline, but discipline equals freedom, like that whole Jocko thing. Like the more disciplined I am, the more regimented I am in my life and treat every day the exact same no matter what, I will be extremely more successful. I'll feel better. My anxiety's down. I feel more in control of my life. I'm getting ahead of things. My mornings are better.
Yeah.